Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix HID complaint pendrive is missing on Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to go Windows settings, then click on Windows Update. In this, you can see here advanced option. Click this option, then click on optional update. If you have any update pending, click download and install. After doing this, close this window, right click on start menu, click on device manager, then double click on human interface devices, then right click on USB input device, then click on update driver. Then select here browse my computer for drivers, then click on next. After doing this, close this window, then select second one, then click on update driver. Here also select browse my computer for drivers, then click on next. After doing both options, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.